Hello, and welcome to another update video on XRP. So XRP is currently giving us a pullback after a first bounce that started on the 21st of November. We will take a look at the micro patterns in a minute. This here, however, is the daily time frame. And I have to say that if we go down any further, it will become more likely that the price, at the latest below $1.75, $1.76, it will become more likely that this wave 4 that potentially bottomed on the 10th of October is simply extending. It wouldn't be a massive surprise. I got to be honest with you. I mentioned many times over recent weeks that the structure that developed from the 10th of October low is really nothing clear. It's really not in any way convincing. The main reason for that is that the bounce from that low is rather unclear, right? We had a wick to the upside, yeah, right? There has been a wick to the upside on that 10th of October, after that 10th of October flash crash. However, there is no way you could interpret the micro action here, right? And it was a systemic failure. And then different exchanges showed different low points on that day. So it really isn't very clear. So what we're tracking here to the upside is a possible 5-wave advance that could unfold, but the market really needs to hold this $1.75, $1.76 level. Any break below opens the door to a reset of the wave 4. The support area that would then be relevant is already on the chart. It's between $1.21 and $1.55. Let's be honest, this support area has been on the chart all year. I put it onto the chart in January. And, we're still holding it. But this is a huge range that the price has been moving in all year. And so I think we just still need some more patience. It is what it is. XRP likes to move in ranges. And so I said from the beginning, this could be a long range in which we're moving. You could just split it in half, divide it, and then you can trade the range. It is what it is. The range is unchanged, and we could even extend wave 4. But there is a realistic chance that the bulls attempt another upside breakout from here. That would be the next attempt. But what do we need to see for that? Well, on the shorter time frame, I want to see a break above micro resistance. We're going to take a look at that in a minute. On the larger time frame, I need to see a break above the $2.69 to $2.84 area, which is where this red resistance zone is located here. We are holding below it still, and this would be the next key barrier to break. Everything below is, I would say, even noise, okay? Especially until we get a proper upside impulse from any of the lows. And there is nothing visible at the moment, that would be in any way convincing. So I'm not convinced yet that a low is in. It looked a little bit better earlier this week and over the weekend. Let me explain, because what we needed to see is a micro 5-wave move up, but the move to the upside from that Friday low, 21st of November low, it ended as a 3-wave move. A 5-wave move up would have been more, let's say, productive, would have been a bit more bullish, but we only had 3 waves up. If we get another high, then it gives us 5 waves, all right? But we didn't get it anyway, so it already failed to form a 5-wave advance, so we only have 3 waves. What I can tell you as well is that this pullback here is in 3 waves, so there is still a chance for higher prices, of course, especially as long as we're holding this micro support zone I communicated yesterday between $1.91 and $1.98. It is holding at the moment, okay? So micro support is holding, but I wouldn't call that really a high confidence upside breakout scenario. As I said, we need a break above 269 to 284 for more confidence. In the very short term, and this is the first resistance zone to watch, the area between $2.10 and $2.22 is the first zone to watch. The market is on its way to that area right now, but we're still far away from it. And only a break above it would indicate at least that a local low has formed. As long as we stay below 222, the pressure is downward. And the wave 2, which is the corrective pullback that I just showed you on the larger time frame, could still extend once more in a more complex WXYXZ structure. And the Z wave could take the price to $1.76. $1.77. That's the 78.6 retracement. So all eyes need to be on the micro resistance area. Should we break above it, that will shift the focus to the, let's say, more relevant resistance area above, between 269 and 284. At the moment, this here is, just noise. We're moving between. So we reached FIB support, the golden ratio level, a meaningful one, but it still is only micro support. And another low wouldn't be surprising due to the failure of forming a 5-wave move to the upside. That's the update on XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, then check out our MCO membership. If you're interested, you can get access to our Discord server as a gold member. You get access to our short-term updates on Discord. If you're a gold member, you get access to our Trading View live charts. You can ask questions. As a member, you can also attend our member live streams. There are member-only videos and much more. I leave a link in the comment section for you. There's also a 50% discount for the first month if you want to check it out to try. And hope to see you there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.